Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Career Chats with RK. So in this video we are going to see what is the use of select in SQL. Okay, so in our previous videos actually we forgot these basic things to explain. I have already explained little bit, but I will explain it in detail in our upcoming videos, that is select, after that distinct command and the semicolon and case sensitive things in our upcoming videos. So in this video we are going to see what is the use of select command in SQL. Okay, so basically select is used to retrieve data from table. Okay, so if you want to retrieve some data from your SQL table, so at that time you need to use select command. Okay, so I will show you an example. So in this example we are going to fetch some data from the table. So select, okay, this is the command to fetch data from a table, but after that you need to use star. So star means everything from that table. Okay, so I will explain you it also in detail. So star means, okay, so star means everything from table. Okay, and you can use any specific name, so it will fetch only that specific data from table. I will show you. If you use star, select star from, and if you use any table name, suppose I will use career chats with RK and I am executing it. So as you can see, our table is executed here. Our table is fetch the data, all the data, whatever data in that table, that data is fetched here. Okay, and if I use any specific column name, suppose I will use first name. Okay, sorry, we don't have first name in our column. Suppose I will use employee name. Okay, comma employee ID, and then if I executed this query, so it will only select that two columns that we want to fetch. Okay, so this is the use of select command. I hope you understand this. And from keyword is used to, like, from which table do you want to fetch the data. So before that, suppose if you use select, then we will use employee, suppose employee name. Okay, from, so from is used to where, like, from which table do you want to fetch the data. So at that time you need to use select command to fetch the data, whatever columns, or if instead of this column name you use star, so it will take all the data from that table. Okay, remember this. And from this table. Okay, so this is the use of select and from function in the table. So remember this, star means everything from the table. Okay, and first name, if you write any specific column name, so select command only fetch that specific column name. Suppose here we have written some specific column name, that is employee name and employee ID. So SQL only fetch these two columns. Okay, so this is the use of select command. I hope you like get it, the SQL select command. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe for the channel. Thank you guys.